Sam purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. Can you say who got the pens cheaper? So, this information that Sam purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish purchases 7 pens for rupees 84. Now you have to tell who has purchased or who has got at a cheaper amount. In order to find that, first you need to find the price or the cost of one single pen in both these two cases separately. If I'm talking about Sam, if Sam has purchased 10 pens for rupees 150, therefore the cost of one pen will be rupees 150, that is the total cost, divided by total number of pens purchased, and this will give you 15. If I talk about Manish, then Manish has purchased 7 pens for rupees 84, therefore cost of one pen will be 84 divided by this total cost divided by 7, that is 12, right? That is rupees 12, and in this case it's rupees 15. Therefore, if you compare now for one pen of Sam, in case of Sam, and the cost of one pen in case of Manish, then rupees 15 is being paid in this case, that is of Sam's, and rupees 12 is being paid in this case, that is of Manish. Therefore, since 12 is less than 15, therefore Manish has bought pens cheaper than Sam.